Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this peachy spring look for you guys. I've used the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette for basically all of this look apart from the glitter and the lips and the face obviously. I don't really use this palette much, but I thought I'd give it a go and use a couple of the colours that I don't normally use when I do use it. So if you're interested, please subscribe, give it a like, and yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done this eye off camera, so we're just gonna go straight in and do this eye. I'm going to be mixing the colours Musk, so I'm gonna go in with Musk first, and then I'm going to add Oud just to make it slightly darker, and I'm gonna go in with this Spectrum brush. I don't believe it has a name, but it's just a shader brush, and I'm gonna go in, whoa, and I'm gonna go in with that on my crease. Okay, and now we're gonna go in and cut the crease. I am and have been obsessed with cut creases for so long. So I'm just gonna put a bit of the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. And I'm just gonna put a bit on the back of my hand so it's easier to use on my lid instead of going and dipping back into the product all the time. And I'm using this flat shader brush from eBay. It was in a pack of brushes. So as I did in my video last time, I'm just gonna pack the concealer on the bottom of my lid, look up, and then that creates the perfect place where my cut crease should sit. This has literally saved my life. It makes it so much easier to do a cut crease this way. Then I'm just going to take this flat shader brush, also in the pack from eBay. I'm going to go in with the colour Desert Sand, just to set that cut crease, so it doesn't move around. I'm just going to go in lightly because otherwise I won't get the pigment on the colour that I'm going to use next over it. So I'm just going to go in and set that really lightly. There we go. And then for the peachy colour that I'm going to put over my lid, I'm going to use the Morphe B33 brush to just go over where I've just done the cut crease, and I'm just going to pack that shade all over my lid. Fabulous! Then I'm just going to go in with a makeup wipe and just clean up underneath the eye so I can get a sharp winged eyeliner line. Then I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Glam Eyes Professional Liquid Liner. I used this in my last video and I actually really like it. I haven't used liquid eyeliner in the longest time, so I'm trying to sort of get back into it because I actually quite enjoy the way it looks. I don't know why I really never use it. Actually, I'm just going to wipe off this concealer because I feel like it's literally going to go everywhere. I'm just going to do it off camera actually because it's going to take me a while. Okay, so now the eyeliner is done on both eyes. As I was saying before, we're going to go in with the Collection Glam Crystals Gel Liner in the shade number 3 Funk. I think these are a great dupe for the Urban Decay glitter liners. Just because I wasn't sure about them, I didn't want to spend too much, so I thought these would be great just to sort of be able to play around with them, and then if I do like them, then I can buy the Urban Decay. Quite a lot of glitter on the applicator, so I'm just going to go and apply that in the line of my cut crease. I'm going to go in with mascara just to prep my lashes for the false lashes to put on after this. That was a cohesive sentence. Wow. So now mascara is done, I'm going to put my lashes on. Today I'm going to be using the Leah lashes. I'm very sorry, I don't actually know what style they are because I've lost the box. So yeah, very sorry about that, but these are one of my favourite lashes. They're quite natural, but then they also have a bit of glam to them, so it's not too much. But yes, these are one of my favourite pairs of lashes. I'm also using the Duo Dark Tone Glue. I prefer using this, especially when I've got black eyeliner on, because if it does, like as it's drying, it comes out black, it's not clear, so it's not going to leave a funny line on your eyeliner. So I just prefer to use this one for cases like that. You grow up when you're a member, go on your great adventure again. And we'll be waiting at the end. I feel like when I've got acrylics, I can never apply eyelashes. Like, I don't know why. I just find it so hard. Like, I poke my eye every single time. Okay, so now the lashes are added, let's move on to the face. So I'm first gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love this primer, as you can see. I've nearly run out, so I need to get myself a new one. But I just love the way it makes my skin feel. It's almost like a moisturizer at the same time as well as a primer. I just love the way it makes my skin feel. And I'm gonna blend it in with this Zoeva 125 stippling brush. I just try not to use my hand on my face. So I just like to use a brush just to blend that in. That's really covering the camera, isn't it? I'm sorry. I need to get like a mirror that you can like stick here or something, like right here, because this is not what you want to see. And then for foundation, I'm going to go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is my Ride or Die foundation. I love this so much. This is in the shade Syracuse. I have it also in Tahoe and Cadiz. For my tan shade, because that's how much I love it. I literally have it in every single shade. So we're just going to shake that up and just apply it to the face. Just how I like to apply it. Don't judge me. Just blend it down the neck so it matches. Oh my god, I'm covering the camera again. Sorry, I'm really sorry. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Pro Angled Contour Brush. Weird, I know, but I just like the shape and I love a stippling brush, so this is perfect for me. I'm going to mix the Naked Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Dark and a bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Medium, because this is too light for me to use on its own, but this is like the perfect shade. So I use the Tarte Shape Tape for a bit of extra coverage and then also just to brighten a bit. So just go in with that just to brighten. Also, I don't like to swipe with this brush because it leaves like swipe marks, so I just like to press it in almost. Then I just like to take the excess product, dip it down my nose, on my chin, and a bit in my T-zone. Yes, I have a Love Island bottle. No, I'm not ashamed. I'm going to go in with my Sigma Tapered Highlight F35 brush, and I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. I have run out of my Laura Mercier. I'm so devastated, but I'm getting a new one. I've just ordered it. So for today, we're just going to use the Buttercup powder. Mine, literally, look at the lid. It's full. Like, I hate when it goes everywhere. It's just so messy. Like, this literally goes everywhere. Now I've powdered my under eyes, I'm going to now go in with the Desert Dusk palette and go, I can't speak, and shade my under eyes. My under eyes? Is that what it's called? That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm just gonna go in with Musk and Oud, the same colours that I used in my cut crease. In my crease, not my cut crease. In my crease to start the look off. Just to smoke it out. I'm going to line my waterline with the Rimmel Kajal eyeliner pencil in black, jet black. So for bronzer today, I'm going to go in with my trusty MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. I'm going to use the Zoeva Luxe Sheer Cheek Brush in 127, it's the Rose Gold collection. And we're just going to mix them and bronze the face. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 and the Nicole Guerrero, I think that's how you say it, I don't know, that's how I say it anyway, highlighter kit, and use the shade, I think it's quite a peachy look, maybe we'll mix Daydream and Glow Getter. Let's see how that works. Oh, that's beautiful. Lips today, I thought we'd go for like a pinky sort of look, so I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Stingray, I love this shade, and the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Lumiere. Okay, I'm actually going to go in with, oh, I don't know what colour this is called. The label's rubbed off and so has the sticker, which is really great. But this is actually my favourite colour. But it's also slightly pink, and I think it's really cute. I really love the way that this look turned out. I think it's perfect for spring. I thought I'd try something new. Obviously I wouldn't probably wear this every day, but I think it's really nice. It's very girly. I love the contrast of the lip and the eyes, but I think they both work really nicely together. And I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.